What if time, not money, became the universal currency? Could it create a fairer society or turn life into an endless race against the clock? Let's dive into this mind-bending scenario. In this world, your time is your wealth. Instead of dollars or pounds, you pay with minutes and hours. Want a cup of coffee? That's 5 minutes off your balance. Need to see a doctor? That might cost you a few hours. The concept isn't entirely new. Time banks already exist, where people trade skills and services by the hour. But what if this idea scaled to a global level, replacing money entirely? Your job wouldn't pay you in cash, but in time credits. 1 hour of work earns you 1 hour to spend. Everyone's time is valued equally, whether you're a CEO or a janitor. This could close the wage gap. But would it be sustainable? In a world where time is currency, tough choices would become the norm. Would you spend your precious hours on luxuries or save them for essentials? And how would you plan for the future, knowing every second counts, literally? This system could inspire fairness and simplicity, but it could also breed intense competition. What happens to those who run out of time credits? Do they lose access to essentials, or worse? Then, there's the issue of security. Could time balances be hacked, stolen, or manipulated? And what about the value of human life? Does it become tied to a ticking clock? A world where time is currency could redefine equality, value, and survival itself. So, what do you think? Would you thrive in this system, or would it make life too stressful? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to What If Sketches for more thought-provoking scenarios. Until next time, stay curious.